Hey there, in this video, I will show you exactly how to know if you're shadow banned on TikTok. First of all, open up the TikTok app. Here, click on your profile icon from the bottom right corner. If your account is shadow banned, you will see the number of views decreased or stuck. Click on Menu from the top right corner and tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down in Settings. Now click on Report a Problem. Then scroll down to Report a Problem and tap on Submit a Report. Now describe your problem as I'm having difficulty in reach. Then tap to submit your report here. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.